What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Mr. Florida. Today's video, I got a good one for you. It's on the Lasfit LED reverse light bulb upgrade you could get. This is on my 2026 Chevy Silveraldo 1500 Custom. These are the Lasfit LED bulbs. So this video is going to be a three-parter. I'm going to do a lux brightness test on the original OEM halogen bulbs. I'm going to show you how bright they are. We're going to go out into the 4 a.m. Florida wilderness, the pitch black roads, and do a lux test and see how bright the OEM halogen bulbs are. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you how to install, how easy it is to install these bulbs. 1, 2, 3 should take you 5 minutes on this particular truck anyway. And then the next morning, I'm going to go out to the same road, same spot, and we're going to do a lux brightness test on the LED bulbs. And you'll be amazed how much brighter they are. It's like night and day. You'll see. You'll be amazed. So anyway, Lasfit LED bulb upgrades, reverse light bulbs. Best 20 bucks you'll buy. They also have floor mats, which I have, bed liners, which I have. I did videos on those, so check out in the description. I'll leave links in the description for those. But anyway, they got headlights, which I have those. I did a review on those as well. So they got a whole bunch of upgrade LED bulbs. So check them out, lasfit.com. Anyway, let's get to the video. Don't go anywhere. All right, so I tried putting the my phone with the Lux app on the tripod out in the street. That didn't work too good. So I'm gonna hold the Lux app right in front of, I got the reverse lights on right now, and I got the parking brake set. So this is the stock halogen reverse bulbs, 2026 Chevy Silveraldo Custom 1500 pickup truck. So that's the stock halogen bulbs. So I'm using the Lux app, the brightness app. So we'll put it right in front of the reverse light and see what we get. Reset it. So I'm gonna hold it right in front of the light, and it's about 400. I don't know if you could see that, but it'll give a history. So I'm about 6 inches away, right in front of the light, and it's about 400. So that's the stock halogen bulbs. So I'm gonna put the Lasfit LED reverse light bulbs in, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow, do the same comparison, and show you how much brighter it is. But you can see behind the truck. I don't know if this camera's really picking it. The camera really can't pick it up. It's not that bright. I can't see squat. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to put these in. Don't go anywhere. All right, so I'm going to show you how to put these Lasfit LED reverse light bulbs in this 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 pickup truck. I believe it's a Torx 15, I believe. We're gonna find out. So there's 2 screws inside the tailgate here. I'm pretty sure this is all you need to remove. I may be wrong. Yep, that's it. 2 screws. I'm gonna... All right, they don't make it too easy to get out. So here is the reverse bulb. Right there, that's the stock halogen bulb. So I'm gonna put some gloves on. I don't want to touch it. The oils from your fingers aren't good for these bulbs. So there's the stock halogen LED bulbs. I mean, stock halogen bulbs. And look at the LED bulbs. Look how big these are. So these are DC 12 volt. They're polarity sensitive, meaning they go in one way. So if they don't work, just take it out and put it in the other way. And they're cannabis ready, and they get US customer support. So this is like my fifth Lasfit product, and I've been super happy with them so far. And speaking of brightness, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a lux test, which I already tested the stock bulbs out on the road at 4 a.m. in the pitch black. So I'm going to show you all that footage as well. There's two little clips that go in this way. And you put the screws back in. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side right now. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to go back on the road. I'm going to set up my tripod with my lux meter. And I'm going to take a lux reading, brightness reading on these bulbs. And it's going to be night and day, I guarantee you, the comparison between the stock halogen bulb, these little tiny bulbs. What's that going to do? You're going to see squat with that. So it's going to be night and day with the Lasfit LED reverse bulbs. This would be the best $20 you'll ever buy, ever spend. So don't go anywhere. All right, so here's the Chevy 1500 with the Lasfit LED bulbs. Reverse light bulbs. Look how much brighter they are. So I'm going to use my lux meter like I did yesterday when I tested the stock OEM halogen bulbs. So I'm going to put it at the same distance that I did yesterday, and we'll see how bright it is. So this is the same distance yesterday. Apples to apples comparison. Yesterday was around 400. Look what it is now, 1200. 1200 lux. Same distance as yesterday. Same parameters, same variables, apples to apples comparison. Yesterday was around 400. Today it's 1200. I'm going to bring it back. I'll show you. When I put it, same distance, it's about 6 to 8 inches away from the tail light, from the reverse light. 1200 lux. It's like triple. All right, so I did a apples to apples comparison. This is the stock. So I did an apples to apples comparison. This is the Lasfit LED reverse light bulbs in a 2026 Chevy Silveraldo 1500 pickup truck. Triple the brightness as the OEM halogen bulbs. So we tested it with my light meter. It's triple the brightness, and as you can see, it's definitely night and day when I back out of my driveway. This camera isn't really picking it up, but it's super bright, and it's definitely picking up all the side of the road as well. So check them out. Best 20 bucks you'll ever spend. Lasfit.com. All your lighting needs. So that's a wrap for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate all your likes, comments, more than you know. So please subscribe. I'm trying to get over 20,000 subscribers by the end of March. And I got about 2.5 months left. So please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so they push more of my videos. And if you like the video, of course, and leave a comment if you have any Lasfit lighting products, or you have any comments or questions on this these particular bulbs. But super easy to put in. I showed you how to put them in. Takes 2 minutes. Torx 15 screwdriver. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.